I hope everyone is doing fine. Today I want to talk about something which is a bit sensitive, and I want to give an illustration using this motherboard here. There is a need in this industry for people to have proper tools. Otherwise, if you don't have proper tools in this industry, you are going to mess up things more than fixing them. And with this case that I have here, this board came here with no power, and it came from another technician. Now it is messy. I will say it is proper messy, and the reason is lack of proper tools and lack of knowledge and not being careful with the repair, or not being careful na machines za wenyewe. This guy, there's something that I want you to know. There's these things that we call coils here, like this one. These are coils, and there are so many coils kwa motherboard. If you are to open your motherboard, utapata there is a lot of them. It does not make sense for all these power supplies to have 0 ohms. In this board, I only have these two. I only have two power supplies that are working properly. All the others have 0 ohms. When a machine has 0 ohms to all coils, there is a high chance that is not a fault that was with the machine initially. It is a man-made fault yenye imekuja after a technician ameput 19 a wrong place. Now nikikuja hapa juu, there is a technical work yenye ilikuwa inafanywa hapa, and this is the work. Now there is no way you are going to solder these wires magnifier. It is not possible, but as you can see, this guy did it. This is amazing job here. This is an amazing job. And after he did this, akuja akachoma hizi. I don't think this guy was using magnet. Very sure when this board was taken to him, all pins were fine. And the problem was not even display. Even these issues zenye ziko hapa ni yeye alileta hizi. Probably aliweka kwa moto ikashort, ikakata hizi vitu. Otherwise, I don't think hii kitu ilikuwa na hii issue. Hii issue ni after hapo, I want to show you the reason why this board was not turning on initially. When this motherboard came here, I noticed that kulikuwa na hizi ants. These are ants, and he did not remove these papers. They were pressed kwa hizi vitu hivi, and he did not remove them. He just went direct to soldering whatever he was soldering kwa screen, and I'm very sure this is what made this motherboard to short chipset, because when you see all these power supplies ikiwa 0 ohms, ni kumaanisha chipset is shorted. There is no way like an output, an input power will short all power supply. It only shorts one power supply. It is not possible to short every power supply, but you can short chipset from this point. You direct, that is the end of your machine. Now I want you to see something here. Probably you are going to notice the problems zenye zilikuanga kwa hii machine. These ants, there are so many. I hope you can see them. These ants, as you can see, these are like this chip here, and then from there is these ants, this resistance now, and this board probably. But the issue was not display. The issue was he needed to remove this paper. As you can see, let me show you something. This is this. If you opened this board, you got ants from the board. Probably this board again. Unfortunately, this technician didn't have time to remove papers, but he had all the time to make sure that he has damaged this machine in a way that no one can. No, these are ants. So he has made sure that no one can fix this board. So this is what I want to say. Make sure that you are a person that you are taking your machine to when it is not turning on is someone that does this job. And probably it is good in this era for people to have tools. If he had power supply and a thermal camera, he would have seen the board is taking current, and he would have seen the areas which have heat signature. I will say, as much as you are desperate, you want your machine fixed, make sure that you can find a proper technician. When it comes to screen replacement, RAMs upgrading, SSD upgrading, those anyone can do those. But when it comes to your board is dead, it is better to take it to someone that who knows what he is doing. These cases, there are so many, and these machines are a bit expensive. This is a brand new machine, and the issue was ants. This is not even a refurb. This is a brand new machine, as you can see, but I cannot fix it. Reason being, someone was not careful, and someone did have proper tools, and he ended up damaging this machine. That's all for me, and I will see you in the next video.